The smartphone can record all the way to 8K, 24 frames per second. But for the purpose of this video, in a 4K 30, because wide angle is only in 4K 30, there is no 60, and the zoom is very limited to 6 instead of 15. That's why when a wide angle lens in 4K 30, video stabilization, it looks nice. Vlogging style. Well, this is going to look like. We have a beautiful weather, very little wind, a lot of sun, a little bit of noise because we are close to the street. There's plenty of traffic going on. All right. Zooming. That's 2x, 4, 10, and 15. All right, it's an electronic zoom. So, can you read the license plate? Kinda, yeah. We can. We can. All right. Going back. The question is, do we have autofocus in wide-angle lens? Unfortunately, we don't, and that is not great. But can we do macro with telephoto? Yes, we can. The beautiful macro. Nice. Really, really nice. Main lens. There's autofocus and it is available. Very cool. Front-facing camera for the outside screen, full length of my arm. It is very, very wide. I like that. But there is no autofocus and it's only in full HD. You can go 60 or 30 for the purpose of this video in a 30. Full length. Is it going to overexpose the sky? It will. If I'm out of the frame, it will compensate very. Is it quickly? It's okay, I guess. Okay, there's another screen inside when you open the device. And there it is, also in full HD, also very, very wide. I like that. And also no autofocus. I think those are the same cameras. Outside and the inside. It will overexpose everything. Look. Yeah, it wants to brighten up your face. What else do we have in the camera app? Master Cinema, such a feature. It's cinematic. Nice. 8K resolution in 24 frames per second with video stabilization and autofocus. It looks very nice. Tons of details. Good. In 4K 60 frames per second, a smooth video. Smooth. We also have a huge zoom in the photo, all the way to 50x, so you can spy on people if you wanted to. There you go, in the front-facing camera, a lot of HDR. Scanning documents from far away, it's really convenient. But I don't think anyone cares about the video. Let me show you photo. with the wide angle lens. Look at that. Beautiful. And the main lens is a little bit brighter. Noise and wind cancellation at the moment is off. Let me turn it on. Do we hear the difference? That is the question now. Noise cancellation and wind cancellation at the same time. Built-in microphones are really good. Also, there's a microphone below the camera, so if you want to vlog, then the microphone is hitting directly to you. This is the sound directly to a smartphone microphone. A little bit windy today, just a tiny bit. There's a super cool feature in the menu, subtitles, also teleprompter and frontal sound, but subtitles will transcribe audio to a text below the video, but for some reason I cannot use an external mic, so let me use an internal mic. The sound will be not that great. I'm not sure how many languages are compatible. English and Chinese, like you can see, but your English needs to be perfect. If it's not, it will make some mistakes in the transcribe. Conclusion? Let me know what you think about photo, video and audio quality from such a beautiful foldable device. I think it's a pro camera, not the ultimate, not the ultra. There is a Xiaomi Ultra, there will be a link in the description, with a completely different set of cameras. This is just add feature to the beautiful fold device. And we're going to compare such a device to a Flip from Xiaomi, the latest and greatest, and of course Vivo Pro, the ultimate competitor for the Xiaomi. And I think that's all I got. Link in the description for all those devices. No additional cost. Discount code for you for basically a free shipping. See you next video. Bye. And like and subscribe, of course.